Hey guys, you know, when you're looking for a used car, you don't want to have to bounce around to every single site on the internet. Where would you even start? How do you know which one of those sites your dream car might be listed on? That's why AutoTempest.com is the jam. They've been with us for 3 years now, and we love them because they make it easy. They bring the entire auto shopping world onto one place, right? Your time is valuable. We're busy people. A lot of folks have more than one job. Finding a car doesn't need to be a job. You go to AutoTempest.com, and what it does is you input your search criteria, and it sends that out to all the auto sites, right? We're talking about Cars.com, CarSoup, Cars Direct, eBay Motors, Facebook Marketplace, compares it with Craigslist nationally. It's all right there. It brings it all together for you. AutoTempest.com is the easiest place to shop for a used car online. That's why we love them here at The Smoking Tire. So go to AutoTempest.com, whether you're looking to buy, sell, or just browse. It's what we do. Hey everybody, welcome to the office. It's done. I have a chair, I have art, I have a view. Rob Ferretti is here chilling. Welcome to Westside Collector Car Storage. It's finally finished, folks, and we're having our grand opening this weekend. So I thought I would take you on a little tour. Come on. Let's just start with the studio. Let's just dive in to the Smoking Tire podcast studio, which we've been working on for a long time. It's finally done. There are many excellent details, starting with the room itself, which is totally soundproofed from the outside in, keeping the inside in and the outside out. The table is beautiful. It is a live edge black walnut table with the Lakes and Rivers resin. It's by an artist named Miki Iwasaki. His company is called Sunset Projects. They're out of San Diego, California. I made these signs for the grand opening because I really like Talking Heads and the song Once in a Lifetime. And so there's informational signs all over the shop for people coming in, taking tours to learn. So I don't have to give an individual tour to every single person. We have Kirai Echo Panel walls. My brother-in-law, John Stein, runs a company called Kirai out of San Diego, and they make this stuff. So once we kept the inside in and the outside out, the next step was combating the echo that happens when you're talking in a rectangular room. So I got the supplies from him. They did the 996 gauge cluster on the wall. We got the Ferrari shifter laser cut out on this wall. And our man, Jay Ryan, helped us design all the sound, all the lighting, all the new equipment, which I'll show you in a second. And then we finished it off with the beautiful echo panel walls. The chairs we got from Joe Rogan, as well as the microphones, the cables, and all that stuff, the Shure SM7Bs. They're really, really good podcasting microphones. And if you've been listening to the podcast recently, you know it sounds great. And Christian Hand hooked us up with the Sony studio headphones, which is great. Our new podcasting rig, we've talked about it on the podcast. If you don't watch the podcast, that's fine. But what's really cool about it is it's called Switcher Studio, and it's run off an iPad. So there's no more computer. There's only an iPad and then 5 iPhone 11 cameras around the studio. The whole thing is wireless, okay? And Zach can live edit, put lower thirds. We've got the monitor up there, so we can pull up stuff and look at it on that monitor, and people will see it in the background of the show. Then we can pull it into the show full screen, and this is my outgoing show monitor. So that's pretty cool. Podcasting in this room is wonderful. Zach, hit the lights. We'll put lights. We'll do the so right here. This is how this room looks during podcasting. So we've got really good light, good cast on the walls. Does it look good on that camera?
It's a little hot, but that's...
It's a little hot.
Some of it's coming from outside.
I also didn't tone it in. I literally just hit the sliders all the way up because I wasn't paying attention. But this is the studio, and it looks beautiful. It sounds beautiful. It's not tuned for that camera, but for the iPhones, it looks great. And of course, I can park whatever awesomeness we want right outside the window. In this case, it's a Gunther Works 400R in bare carbon. Because I love you guys. That's why I parked the $600,000 Porsche right outside the window. Come on, let's go check out the lounge. I'll clarify, Joe didn't give us the mics. We didn't get the mics from Joe. We took his setup plan and copied it because it sounded good. Got it? Got it. Christian got us a discount on the headphones, but we paid for those. Little Forza setup. Same setup as the old office. The difference is my wife, Hannah, who is very helpful with everything, owns a PC laptop, which we needed to program the wheel properly. It's been years we couldn't find a PC laptop. Custom-made bookshelf wraps around 2 walls. And this is for our car book library. But what's really cool about it is the way the colors interlock. My decorators, Sarah Trimble and Webb Bland, had a really creative idea to make the colors interlock. So as you look through the hallway both directions, it brings this wall onto that wall and vice versa. Come on in the lounge. Tristan Eaton, Pearl Jam, Fenway Park concert posters. Welcome to the members lounge. It's not very big, but it is very nice. Sarah and Webb did a great job picking out furniture and colors. These library chairs can kind of swivel so you can watch TV. We got the security cameras up here. We got the entertainment TV up there. You've got the view into the Cathedral room and the private members' whiskey lockers. Mine, you can see in the middle row, is actually quite full. At the moment, people are coming by and bringing booze. And we've got the cigar deck outside. We can't smoke cigars inside, but so we got the cigar deck out there. And behind the bar, commercial ice maker, yay. We got the WCCS pint glasses. And check out, we did really fun wallpaper in the bathroom. The bathroom is really fun cassette wallpaper. And we have pens here so people can make their own mixtapes. Someone decided to write a shit mix, volume 12, because I presumably for taking a shit. And we asked people in the email to not use profanity. I have about a 99% certainty that that's my brother-in-law who was not on the email. Oh, and of course, don't leave yet, Zach, the mystery dolly over the toilet. Which, if you follow me on Instagram, you know about the mystery dolly. That's a real dolly that showed up at my house around the time of my wedding, but nobody claimed it. No, there was no notes, nothing. So the dolly was a mystery, so we hung it above the toilet with a plaque explaining the mystery dolly. It's silly, but that's a perfect place for it. Come on out. We're gonna go down the stairs, but we're gonna take the elevator. Not because I'm lazy, but because we have an elevator. And look, me and my first car, my wife put that there, Hannah rules. We got this, the elevator's buttery smooth. It's a Kone elevator, and you can barely feel it move. There's like no vibrations. They make you put an elevator in for ADA, Americans with Disabilities Act, but they don't make you put in such a nice elevator. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the lobby. I bought a motorcycle because I wanted to park a motorcycle in the lobby. It's a 1982 CX500 Turbo. It's very, very awesome. It's actually in pretty nice shape and it runs really good, but it has 17-year-old tires on it. So even if I wanted to ride it, it pretty much, it needs some reconditioning. You wouldn't want to ride it right now. Excuse us for a moment, Clinton. Lobby, Hannah. PC. We've got a Jaguar Cosworth V8 engine block coffee table. Hannah had some custom chocolate covered Oreos made. And we did the logo on the floor down here. And actually, is anyone? No? Yeah, we've got the same thing but with colored pens. So you can color Boner Jams 03. That was Sarah. I forgot. I made a Pearl Jam one and I can't remember. I made like a live Pearl Jam one and now I can't remember where I wrote it. But we definitely brought a little bit of fun into the bathroom. All right. You ready for the goodness? You ready for the dun dun dun? Come on in. Morning. Oh my God, it smells like donuts because we have a donut wall for our morning open house. And all you need is a donut and a parking space for your Ferrari. So, this is the thing. This is what it's all about, right? The Cathedral room full of Skittles colored cars. I don't know, do we want to go in every car that's in here? I guess we probably should right quick, right? So come on. We order the lifts. Q1 through Q10 are over here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got a 550 Barchetta Ferrari, an Audi Sport Quattro, courtesy of some friends. We've got a Bentayga, my mom's Jaguar F-Type on the top. In the back, you can see the Gunther Works that was outside the studio. That's in the rear lift on the third level, what I call Q2C, right? Because it's Q2 and then A, B, C, D, up. Then we've got a Honda 2000. Eric's running a Honda 2000. This is our general manager, Eric's car. It just looks awesome. Eric has some cool cars. All of them are modified in some way. And his S2000, I thought, brought some fun flavor. GT350 Shelby, Porsche GT3, and then up top you actually have to back up because I put the BMW Z3M Coupe Clown Shoe, and then behind it is a lowrider. It's a 63 Thunderbird lowrider built by Starlight Rods and Customs. On top of being like super vertical, this room, because of how the light comes through, it's sort of like a stained glass effect almost. That's why we call it the Cathedral room. This Thunderbird is like the only square bird I've ever liked. Slammed on bags. It's a beautiful build, and the company that owns it is called Stratus Auctions, and this car is going for auction soon. And so they're going to keep their pre-auction cars here. C4 ZR1 just came in, mint. It's a very, very cool car. Porsche 911R. And then next to it, a Ford GT, 170 miles on it. And then, you start going upstairs, GT3, Turbo Carrera, 911 Carrera. There's a Ferrari 612 in a fun paint to sample color, Performante, Buick GNX, E36 M3. Porsche lent us this Taycan, A, so people can play with a Taycan, B, to talk about the fact that we have EV chargers here, and C, to show off our portable load level ramps. So these yellow things are steel ramps that when we've got the trays sandwiched together, a normal car, any real normal car like a sedan or an SUV or a regular car can get on that third tray, no problem. But a very low car, a GT3, a McLaren, something like that, we use those ramps to make it a little easier, right? Right. Over here, Q11 and Q12 lifts, Maserati Sebring, absolutely stunning. Ferrari GTC4 Daytona above that. I put another Bentayga up there. Why do I have two Bentaygas in the lifts? To show that they can hold heavy SUVs. Bentaygas are like 5,700 pounds or so, and we've got two of them up there. The trays hold about 6,000 pounds each. Then we have another Gunther Works. We got two of those. This is the pearl white, absolutely amazing. Aston Martin DB11, and then Bruce Meyer, our good friend, sent his Fox body police car to show next to our friend Spike Ferriston's German Beetle police car. McLaren GT2 RS, AMG GTR, lovely little 356. The Skyline R34, originally owned, well, I don't know who the first owner was, but the second owner was Paul Walker, and the third owner, Sean Morris, and Top Rank Importers sent that over. So that's a 18,000 mile R34 Skyline, 18,000 kilometer R34 GTR owned by Paul Walker. That thing is that's a heavy hitting collectible right there. The Royal Enfield that I'm testing this week, Continental GT 650. Lovely little bike, actually. Looks great. We have motorcycle storage here at Westside. And then in the back, of course, Vinny's Cadillac, taking up space as it do. And then my stack. So you've got the Lamborghini, the Aston Martin, the Safari, and then I put my wife's van all the way up at the top. The Delica is hanging out. And so in here, oh, it's very dark right now, but it doesn't need to be. These amazing cabinets we got built by Moduline and custom fitted to this exact wall. And then check this out. We got all the goods, right? We got our towels. We got our detailing supplies. Optima, thank you, sent us a pallet of digital 400 battery tenders. So they're the exclusive battery tender provider at Westside. And because he's a G, check this out. Lifetime supply of ammo products. So we got cabinets and cabinets worth of this stuff. So our guys have been trained by Derek Bemis using his and Larry's methods, so we are now ready for hot detailing action. Thanks, Moduline. Good hookup there. So those are the goods. I mean, that's what finished looks like. It's taken 5 years, but we're open now. And so WCCS.com. A few of these cars are friends and family cars, and many of these cars are customer cars, member cars. And so we now have our studio. I have my office. We have our working Park Plus quad stackers. We've got a trained staff that has been really, really great so far. And we're going to be open for business. So this is the spot. Welcome to a fully functional and open Westside Collector Car Storage.